max sum. Given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. Then print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of 2 space-separated long integers. Example: a bar is 13579. The minimum sum is 16 because 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16. And the maximum sum is 24 because 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 24. The function prints 16 and 24. Function description. Complete the minimaxsum function in the editor below. Minimaxsum has the following parameters. A bar is an array of 5 integers. Print 2 space-separated integers on one line. The minimum sum and the maximum sum of 4 or 5 elements. Input format: a single line of 5 space-separated integers. Constraints: 1 less than or equal to array is less than or equal to 10 to the power of 9. Output format: print 2 space-separated long integers denoting the respective minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. So sum per input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum per output is 10 and 14. Explanation. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Calculate the following sums using 4 of the 5 integers. Sum everything except 1 is 14. Number 2. Sum everything except 2, the sum is 13. Number 3. Sum everything except 3, the sum is 12. Number 4. Sum everything except 4, the sum is 11. And number 5. Sum everything except 5, the sum is 10. Right, let's solve this problem in Python. The function starts by initializing a variable called sum to 0, or sum equals 0. It then loops through each element of the input list array and adds it to the sum variable. To calculate the minimum and maximum values that can be obtained by summing 4 of the 5 integers in the input list a bar, the function subtracts the maximum value in the list from the sum of all values in the list to obtain the minimum value and subtracts the minimum value in the list from the sum to obtain the maximum value. These values are printed using the print function. The minimum and maximum values represent the smallest and largest possible sums of 4 integers selected from the list.